All right, we kind of have an early morning start, but I'm just excited that we're finally getting out there. So even though it's mid-January, we just have gotten no snow up until now. And then this last week, we got more snow in a week than I have ever seen here living in Utah. So I'm just excited to finally be able to get up and snow bike. All right, Roni, you ready for this?
Yeah, buddy, I hope so.
First time of the year.
Do
you think you remember how to do this?
Well, guess we'll find out real quick.
Your exhaust is off. That'll make it sound funny. Unless you're trying to race some Chinese race. That's probably why it's popping.
That's why it's popping, dude.
Yep.
Yeah, let's let it cool off. See, can you get the bolts up?
The bolt's gone.
I've got bolts. I got mine.
So Riker, what are they fixing?
I don't know. Judd was putting the pipe wrap on and must not put the bolt on.
So Judd didn't put the Loctite apparently, or someone not here.
Somebody
not here didn't put Loctite on the bolts.
It was Brock.
Yeah, it was Brock. So first fix of the day, getting this pipe back on.
Oh, there's one more.
Oh. Got some deep snow today. You are buried. Trying to get up this hill. Very, very steep. You kind of just have to side hill back and forth. But we're trying to get to the top of it. That one didn't work. What a day. Snow's like perfect. It's still kind of bottomless if you ever have to get off on your bike, but it's just dense enough that you can really rip anywhere on these things. So we're just in the middle of a field right now, just having the time of our lives. It's so much fun out here. Sorry for the crappy day. That wasn't any fun, huh?
It sucked bad.
All right, on my way up to the shop. We went yesterday and we're going today. So it's a great weekend when we get to go snow biking both days of the weekend. So headed up there now, and we're headed into Idaho today to ride. Hit a sinkhole. So I was just riding along right here. It's a pretty flat spot, like very flat. And I just came into what might be like a...
Will it not turn over?
What might be a little ravine or something. You were not kidding when you said you needed a hand.
Yeah, I need more than
All right, you can have a hand.
came up,
Dude, this is all
it and just like,
this is all wind drift right here. That is crazy. It's like a full-blown snow fort in here now. That's where he was stuck. Your fender's not supposed to look like that.
It looks like the snowman on Frozen.
The snow's pretty good, but it's kind of like concrete today. If you hit it just wrong, you end up just like I did that earlier on the flats that you saw. If the bike gets too far under, it just kind of concretes it in there.
you roosted me so much.
You okay?
Oh,
You sure you're okay?
dude, I'm seeing stars.
I'm seeing stars actually now.
Yeah, it looked awesome. Oh,
You like my new trick? I was doing a handstand on the bars.
you didn't even, like it crunched you so hard, you kind of were just like rolled over it. It's actually pretty big.
I knew it was gonna be flat, but I figured it would be okay.
I thought you'd be fine.
I'm so glad.
Okay.
Might be.
I think.
Looks like you're crying because you got snow.
I got snow. It's hiding my
It's
tears.
okay, you can cry.
It's hiding my tears. That's all.
Yeah.
Why is my bike so far in the snow? At least it looked cool, right?
Oh, it looked awesome.
Oh.
For us. Did it feel awesome?
Oh yeah, it felt awesome.
Awesome till where? About right there?
So I think where America's digging is where my head went into the snow.
It did.
Dude, you did a front flip like right here. Like your head went straight.
Your bike is buried. Like it's like barely above the surface.
Like you didn't even do a front flip. You like sucked to get out.
I think
It doesn't feel good, but that hurt.
I don't think it's broken. I think what you did is you just like someone took a hammer right there
That's what
when it
feels
came,
like.
probably the top of your handguard.
All right, so the avalanche danger here is probably a lot higher than what we saw on the report, only because they don't test it where we're at today. The snow's different here. So I'm gonna have my dad kind of show you guys what we're working with here today and why it's so dangerous.
So we've got like this concrete snow here. It's like super dense.
It's why we keep getting stuck.
As we pop through that, but underneath that, when I just dug out, is we've got this just like sugar. It's like a bunch of BBs. So this big dense stuff is just sitting down here on this just little crystals. And that's just like a bunch of BBs with a slab of concrete sitting on it. It's just gotten to want to move off of that. So kind of glad he got stuck here, because now we've been really careful today because we knew that the avalanche danger was considerable, but I think actually it's pretty high to extreme up here in certain areas with how dense this is and how heavy that is sitting on top of that really loose crystallized snow.
And if it did slide, it would be a huge, heavy slide too. I do owe you a thank you though. I just barely, as we were riding, we're high enough, I got notifications and I finally hit 1,000 subscribers today, thanks to you doing dumb crap for me. So
I'll always be there to do dumb crap.
pretty small still, but a big milestone. So thanks for being willing to do that.
Anytime.
And thanks for anyone that subscribes and watches. So this is the top of what he came off, and he dropped all the way down there. It's kind of hard to see the depth perception through the camera with the snow, but that was actually way big. So we're making our way back down the canyon, just because we're kind of worried Riker's wrist it shouldn't be broken, but it's only going to get worse if it's sprained. It's just going to keep hurting worse once the adrenaline wears off and stuff. But had to stop really quick because 1,000 subscribers is a really big deal for me. So I just wanted to stop and thank you guys so much for anyone that has subscribed over the last 11 months or so. Thank you so much. I truly love making YouTube videos. So it's been a really fun thing for me to do. And I'm really excited for 2024 and kind of what's to come. So again, huge thank you to anyone that subscribed and that continues to subscribe this year. Really appreciate getting 1,000 and look forward to what's to come. The rest of the way back to the truck isn't super exciting, so I won't make you watch a bunch of footage that's not super thrilling all the way back. But thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Have a ton more snow biking stuff to come. And I won't stop making truck videos either. So we still have a bunch of stuff coming like that, even through the winter as well. If there's anything specific that you guys want to watch or that you want to see, feel free to leave me a comment of any suggestions of stuff you want to see me do. But again, thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you next week.